Hello students, welcome to English class. In this video, we will discuss few questions which came for subject-verb agreement. Question 1. Each of the boys dash rewarded. Option A are being, option B have been, option C was, option D were. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is was. Each of the boys was rewarded. You know that when we use each and every, we have to use singular verb. So we have to use was here. Question 2. No news dash good news. Option A has, option B had, option C is, option D are. No news dash good news. Here, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is. Here the noun news, it is plural in form but is singular in meaning. So it should take a singular verb. Question 3. The treasurer and secretary dash left from the bank. Option A have, option B has, option C are, and option D is. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is option B, has. The treasurer and secretary has left from the bank. Here, both nouns, treasurer and secretary, denote the same person. So we have to use a singular verb according to the tense form. So here we are using has instead of is. Question 4. The poet and philosopher dash dead. Option A are, option B is. Can you guess the answer? What is the answer? Yes. Children, the answer is option B is. The poet and philosopher both denote the same person. So the verb should be singular. So the answer is. Question 5. He and his brother dash present. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is option A were. He and his brother. Here both the nouns joined by the conjunction and should take a plural verb. So what is the plural verb? Were. So we should use were here. Question 6. Many of my friends dash motorbikes. Option A ride, option B riding, option C rides, option D has ride. What is the answer, children? The answer is ride. Option A, ride. Many is plural, so with that we can use only a plural verb depending upon the tense. So we have to use ride here. Question 7. Everybody dash keen to participate in the upcoming Nukkad Natak. Option A are, option B has, option C is, and option D were. What is the answer, children? Yes, answer is. Everybody is. You know that with each, everyone, and everybody we should use a singular verb. So what is a singular verb here? From the option, we can say this is. Option C is the right answer. Question 8. Bread and butter dash what the poor want. Option A are, option B has, option C is, and option D has been. Children, can you guess the answer? What is the answer? Yes, the answer is. Here, bread and butter, both the nouns together express one idea. You may think that bread is a noun, butter is another noun joined by conjunction and usually it should take a plural verb. But here both of them together express one idea, so we have to use a singular verb. Question 9. No scholarship or reward dash given to the student who stood first in the examination. Option A are, option B were, option C was, and option D had. What is the answer? The answer is was. No scholarship or reward was given to the student who stood first in the examination. Here, two or more singular subjects are joined by or, nor, either, neither, etc. should take a singular verb. Then two nouns joined by or should take a singular verb. That is the rule. Question 10. The manager and the orator dash been invited to the function. Option A was, option B has, option C were, and option D have. Can you guess the answer? Children, what is the answer? The answer is have. How do we get have here? The manager and the orator. Did you notice the nouns? Which are the nouns used here? Manager. Then orator. Manager and orator, do they denote the same person? No, they don't denote the same person, because you can see the article is used before the is used before manager, and before orator also you can find the is used. So in that case you should know both denote different persons, so the verb should be plural. The manager and the orator have been invited to the function. Suppose the sentence is like the manager and orator. In that case, you can use a singular verb. But here you find article is used at different places, so you have to use a plural verb. Next question. The little boy who is wearing a brown shoes dash my cousin. Option A was, option B is, option C am, and option D are. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is, because the subject is little boy, that is singular, so we have to use a singular verb as well. Question 12. Slow and steady dash the race. Option A win, option B wins, option C winning, and option D had win. What is the answer? Slow and steady, both the nouns denote one idea. It expresses one idea, so we have to use a singular verb here. So can you guess the answer? What is the answer? Wins. The answer is wins. It is singular. Slow and steady denote one idea. Question 13. Oil and water dash not mix. Option A does, option B had, option C do, and option D is. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is do, because two nouns, oil and water, are joined by the conjunction and in that case, we have to use a plural verb. Question 14. One of my books dash missing from my bag. Option A, have. Option B, has. Option C, are. And option D, is. What is the answer, children? One of my books. Yes, the answer is. Here, the subject is singular because the reference is to one book. I have many books. Out of that, I am pointing out one book which is singular. So we have to use a singular verb as well. Question 15. The behavior of the children dash excellent. Option A, were. Option B, have. Option C, was. Option D, has. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is was, because we are pointing to behavior. Here the verb should agree with behavior, not children. So we speak about behavior. Behavior is a singular. It's a singular noun. So we should use a singular verb. 16. The quality of the mangoes dash good. Option A, were. Option B, has. Option C, was. And option D, have. What is the answer, children? The quality of the mangoes. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is was, because here also we should see that we should speak about the quality. It is a quality. The verb should agree with the quality and not the mangoes. So, singular verb should be used. Thank you, students. Please subscribe to English class